Alright guys, this is going to be part 2 of, well actually this is going to be part 1, because we haven't even worked on it yet, of the Craftsman with the knocking engine project. It is Friday the 14th, right? Or 13th?
13th.
13th. Oh, Friday the 13th. And, we're going to do a compression test just out of curiosity. Here, I'll hold that.
Yeah, I don't want to drop it. It's $400 there.
Alright, does that sound good? Let's see what we got here, guys. Hold on. Let the camera focus. Camera isn't going to focus, so just go ahead.
What?
Yep. Pedal.
Oh. Ready?
Yep. 75.
75?
75. You can try it again, but it's at like 65. Or I mean 70. There's nothing wrong with the compression. So our rings are good, which is good.
Yeah.
I kind of figured they were, because it didn't seem to be burning any oil.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna finish taking the deck off, and we'll take the engine off. Alright guys, so we got the engine out finally, and it's actually dark out. It took us a very long time because we ended up having other things we needed to do. So we got it here, and we're simply just going to tear it. It actually came out pretty easily. The pulley was a little bit of a bitch, but it came out pretty easily for the most part. So let's start the tear down, huh, Jason? Alright guys, we got it just about ready to pull the sump off, so let's see what it looks like under here. Not that we'll necessarily be able to tell right away. Alright. I don't see any.
It looks like metal.
It does look like that. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a lot of metal there. See his finger? Alright, well we're gonna keep looking into this engine. I'm gonna turn the camera off for now, so we can focus all of our attention on not messing up. Hello YouTubers. So we got the Craftsman torn apart, obviously, the engine. Right now we're boiling some maple syrup, making some maple syrup here. But it is the next morning, because we were out until like 10, so I decided it was kind of late enough. And I didn't even do the video, but we did get it all torn apart. And unfortunately the balancer seems to be worn, and the crankshaft is a little bit scored, but the other balancer is a little loose, but this one's the worst. So it wobbles a real little bit, and that's exactly what our knocking noise was. And there was gas in the oil. I didn't even say that before, so I think that's our problem as well. So I don't know if I'll really be able to use the parts engine. I'll have to clean it up really good, but I'm going to see how much new ones are right now, so just stay tuned for that. We'll see how much new ones are, and I might just do that. Hello fellow YouTubers. This is several days later. I lost the camera, but shortly after finding out that new balancers are $90 and used ones are $40, I decided to pull out the old ones and see if they would work. And they actually fit nice and snug. They're going to need a little bit of cleanup. You can see there's some rust. I'll clean them up good. So that should really do it. I did order gaskets and a carburetor kit online, and it cost about $40. So I'm hoping that this will work, and this will be the end of the Craftsman. Or I'll be done messing with the Craftsman after. I mean, and I could sell it. And the oil looks like crap. As you can see, it does need to be cleaned up very nice. So that's probably what I'm going to do this weekend. Excuse me. Other than that, that's really all I have for today. Well, with this Craftsman. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Soon we will be cleaning up and reassembling the engine. So stay tuned.